Good morning, welcome back. The Boosty boys are already going at it. Today we are at Willow, my first time driving Big Willow. Pretty excited. Out here with Touge2Track. Super stoked. Brought the Z4, as you guys know, the mini's still down. Look at this gorgeous, beautiful sunset today. So, sunrise. I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. So, yeah, we are like 30 minutes from registration starting and the driver's waiting and all that. So, yeah, welcome back. It's another track day. Okay, so I did run a first session, did a little bit of coaching in between, so that was nice because I've never driven this track before. So I got to see the track for myself. I let my friend drive because his S2000 is down, so I let him drive it, show me the lines before I started coaching or anything. So I can see the lines and see the track and get a little bit more comfortable with it. That helped so much. I literally dropped 7 seconds off my first time going out, thanks to seeing the lines and getting more comfortable with that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go out in like 10 minutes or so. Hopefully can drop a little more time off. But the car does have no aero, so that is a little bit of a struggle here because of how fast it is. But we're making do. I'm having a good time. I'm really glad I'm getting seat time in this car. That's like literally all I want. It's just seat time, seat time, seat time. So hopefully we can drop a few more seconds off our time. Alright, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. On the paint! guys, went out for another 2 sessions. Had a lot of traffic today, and then I dealt with one of the people in my group's car kept having issues, so they kept having to shut down the track and stop. So I didn't really get any food, and then there was like 4 people out in this last session I just did. I think there's one more after this, but I think I'm gonna skip it. And I literally went from being stuck at like a 147, 146 all day. I think my best before that was a 146.0, but I just kept getting stuck at that 147 range. I didn't think I was going to do better. I really just wanted a 45, but went out, got a lot more confidence, really committed, and I did a 142. So I'm not really sure where those 4 or 5 seconds came from, but I pulled it up. I did it. So I'm super stoked. Like, this car's like pretty freaking stock, so no complaints there. I'm super happy. Happy with the car. It literally kept taking the abuse of just hot lap after hot lap after hot lap. No issues. These tires have been great on this car. Like, literally also taking hot lap after hot lap with no issues. 2 track days now, so no complaints. I'm sorry I'm running out of breath. I'm so freaking excited. So yeah, we're gonna pack up and head home. It's fairly windy, so it's gonna be a slow drive with the trailer, and now it's starting to rain, so a little bit sketched. So that's probably gonna be all for this video. Peace out, guys, and I will catch you in the next one.